A dimmer switch is a great way to create atmosphere in a room. Hi, I'm Jess Oppenheimer with Homeclick.com, and today we're going to replace a regular light switch with a dimmer switch. In terms of tools, you're going to need just a few basic items: a medium flathead screwdriver, a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of wire strippers, and a circuit tester. You'll also need a dimmer switch kit, which you can buy at most hardware stores and home improvement centers. Before you start, read the instructions that came with your dimmer, and if working with an electrical system makes you too nervous, call a licensed electrician. So the first and most important step to this process is to turn the breaker off at the main panel for the circuit you're working on. It's a good idea to put a piece of tape over the breaker switch so that no one turns it back on accidentally. You should also tell family members or roommates that you are doing electrical work and that the power should stay off. First, we need to remove the switch plate. This is easy. Just unscrew the two screws using your medium screwdriver and the plate comes right off. The next step is to make sure that the power is actually off to the switch. Looks like we're turned off. The next step is to remove these two screws to pull the switch out of the box. The screws are held on with a little washer behind so they won't fall off. You want to remember which wires go to which terminal. Take your screwdriver and unscrew the screws and pull the wires off. The next step is to reattach the wires in the same location on the new dimmer switch. That way it will turn the wire in tighter to the threads as you tighten the screw. Now you simply push it back in to the box and reattach the screws. Then remount the faceplate and your installation is complete. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching. For more information and all the best brands for your home, visit us on the web at Homeclick.com.